There's too much violence in the media. Average youth in America will witness 16,000 simulated murders, 200,000 violent episodes of television, all before age 18, and much violence per hour. 97% of teens play violent video games, 91% of movies have violence. The amount of gun violence in PG-13 films has increased more than triple the amount since the induction ratings in 1985, and more PG-13 films contain gun violence than R-rated. Violence has an effect on people in the media because it's portrayed by people that are attractive and that we look up to as models, especially youth and kids. They look up to those people. Now, the effects of this violence causes us to become desensitized, to behave in more aggressive ways, and to amplify any violent tendencies we may have. Ted Bundy said that a lot of his violent actions, where he got the ideas, came from watching them happen in pornography. So violence in the media has a negative effect on everyone, and there is a lot more of it now than there used to be.